With pristine beaches on its shore and the dense Western Ghats inland, Malabar, the land of spices and coconut, shines bright on the culinary map of India. This region is well known for its spice trade, with Calicut being called as the city of spices. When the humble stew entered Malabar, the city of spices had to reinvent it in its own avatar, and thus the Malabari stew or curry is a blend of vegetables, meat, spices, along with coconut milk. Namaste and welcome to the channel with me, Pallavi. Today we'll prepare a Malabari chicken masala stew. Usually a Kerala stew is mild in flavor and is paired with appam. This stew is a spicier version and you can have it with appam, dosa or even plain rice. So come, let's start making chicken Malabari masala stew. In a large kadai, we'll heat about 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. To this we'll add 2 dry broken red chilies and fry it. We'll then add about a handful of curry leaves and 2 green chilies. Saute this in the oil for about 2 minutes and then add 3 sliced onions. We'll saute the onions in the oil until they turn transparent and slightly golden. Next we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it again for about 5 minutes or until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic is gone. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of Corriander powder. Saute this well for about 2 minutes. We'll now add 2 sliced tomatoes and saute it again. We'll add about half a teaspoon of salt so that the tomatoes cook fast and cover and cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, let's open the lid and check if the tomatoes are cooked and mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we'll add our chicken. I've taken 1 kilo of broiler chicken cut into medium pieces. I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, cover it and let it cook in its own juices. I'll reduce the flame to low and cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Next we'll take half a coconut, add half a cup of water and mix it in a mixie jar to extract the first extract of coconut milk. After taking the first extract, we'll add the coconut gratings back into the mixie with another half cup of water to take the second extract. The chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes now in its own juices. I'll add the second extract of the milk now. Cover and cook it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes and the chicken is cooked, I'll now add my first extract, that is a thick coconut milk extract, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. We'll now give it just 1 boil and then put off the heat. Let's garnish our stew with some fresh curry leaves and the chicken Malabari masala stew is ready to serve. I'm serving this masala chicken stew with some beetroot thoran and some boiled matta rice to make a complete Kerala meal. If this recipe has inspired you to cook a wholesome Kerala meal, then do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.